Let's learn how to add a timeline to a chart. First, click anywhere in your data, and click Ctrl and A to select everything. Now Ctrl and T at the same time to create a table. Make sure headers are checked on if your data has them. If you try to add a timeline now, it won't see any connected data to use in the timeline. So we need to create a pivot table first. Click the Insert Pivot Table option on the far left. Since your data is already highlighted, let's just select a location for the pivot table in the existing sheet. In this case, let's add all fields to the pivot table. Dates, locations, and revenue or sales are always great fields to add to any pivot table. Let's go to the Insert tab and select Pivot Chart. This will connect with the data in the pivot table. You can use the drop-downs here to filter. Or let's add an easier way by trying the timeline again. Let's hide the pivot table by selecting those columns and right-clicking to select Hide. Click this small plus sign in the bottom of the chart to get the actual day, month, quarter, or year, instead of just the year overview when using the timeline. Please like and subscribe if this helped.